My name is Advay Agarwal and this is lesson 5 of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In lesson 4, we had learned how to solve the middle layer. So, in lesson 5, we will learn how to make a yellow cross. So, we will turn the cube upside down if the white face is facing up. So the yellow, as I told you in the first lesson, the yellow face should be down. But this is part, so it will go up, straight up. So now, how to make a yellow cross? Hold your cube in such a manner that the yellow one is facing on the top and the white is facing on the top, facing on the bottom. So, what you need to do right now, you will follow, if you have got a mirror rail, you will follow the algorithm FRU, then RIUIFI. If you can't understand these, go back to lesson 1 to learn these. So, and if you got a vertical line or a single dot on the yellow face, do an algorithm called FURRIUIFI. So, I got a mirror rail in my case. You can have anything, but a mirror rail should be always facing to the left side. It should not be facing on the right side. Meaning, it should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be like this. Now, what I'll do that algorithm that I told you. FRURIUIFI. FRURIUIFI. Now we got the vertical line. Now I'll follow the FUR. And wait a second. I'm just scrambling. I had just scrambled the whole cube. Wait. Sometimes it happens. You can scramble the cube if you cannot. So I need to do it back. So wait just 1 minute. Because I'm good at this, so I can do it very quickly. I got the faces. Now I got a mirror rail again. Now let me do that FRU. You need to follow the algorithm. You need to follow this algorithm 1 time if you got a mirror rail. Now I got a vertical line. And follow FUR. And wait a second. I'm just scrambling the whole cube. Wait. Let me figure out a problem. It will take another minute. Wait. Okay, I got this. Now I got a yellow center. Now I'll do FUR. whole cube. Wait. Wait a second. Let me do the problem. What's the problem? Okay. Wait. Okay, got it. Now the vertical line. Yes, now I got the cross. And hopefully I got this diagonal one. So, this was for today. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Bye.